Alright, so the first 3 nights I was on the first floor, and now I've moved up to the 7th floor. So right out here I'll show you. That's the downtown Hilton of Mexico City. I got the first one I got on Expedia.ca, and this one I got off Airbnb. So I talked with the owner a little bit, and apparently the company, they own 40 units in this building and another building. So I'm pretty sure they're all the same, at least in this building. Pretty nice size, definitely don't need any more room. Pretty cool chandelier, so just thought I'd show you. The lighting is a bit hard though. Anyway, just got home after walking for, let's see, it's 5:10 right now. So I think I left at 9 this morning. So that's about 8 hours. I was walking around downtown, taking video and taking pictures, had lunch, and that's about it. Anyway, super happy with this little suite. It was around $100, so very nice to have my own place. And again, there's a gym and pool and running track upstairs. Morning guys, this is Todd, still in Mexico City. It is Saturday, March 2nd, 2019. And I've just packed up my stuff. I'm gonna head out of this apartment. I thought I'd actually get my video going for the upstairs, just to give you guys a look. Just walking around the track right now and get a bit of a look. It's up on the roof, which is super nice, and looks like there's a patio on every corner, so that's pretty cool. Temperature is just perfect right now. Gets pretty hot during the day, like plus 27. But anyway, just thought I'd walk around the track, show you guys. There's a bit of a little hill in the way there, and it's a beautiful morning, I have to say. It's been great staying here this past week, and saw a lot of things here in Mexico. Let's give you a quick look behind me. So all kinds of patio furniture, as I said, a little hill on each side. I'm going to give you guys a look, have a bit of the cityscape here. There we go. So a tour of my new hotel in Tepoztlán, and we just arrived. Just checking out the hotel. We got the master suite. Pretty sweet with the double tub. Anyway, looks beautiful here. I think I'm gonna go hit the pool. We're about a 2-hour drive from Mexico City, and yeah, I'm here with Gabriella, who drove. Say hi.
Hi.
It's so awesome out here. I wish I could stay all day long. Alright. I'm gonna turn off the video and just hang out, enjoy the day. See you later. Just walking through the Carnival here. It's about 10:30 on March 3rd. I'm here with my guide, Gabriella.
Hi.
The scenery is quite beautiful with these mountains behind, surrounding the whole town. Apparently you can climb up them, but I don't think that's going to happen today. A little too hot. And got some blisters on my feet from yesterday, so. ¿Qué es esto?
Una tienda.
Arriba?
¿Quieres entrar?
Bueno. We're just gonna head up this thing here. Super nice in the shade. Actually feels just perfect, temperature-wise. Just exploring the neighborhood a little. It's a real nice view of the mountains here. I'm gonna flip it around. Hotel ended up being just a few blocks from the Carnival, and we had no idea there was Carnival this week in Tepoztlán, so that worked out pretty good. Lots to see and do and eat. Very hilly though. We are here in the Fuente de los Coyotes, Coyoacán. So you can see behind me two big coyotes in the fountain there. And let's see, Sunday 5 o'clock. Lots of people here as usual. Some park, I don't know where it is, somewhere in Mexico City. Dance classes behind me here, as well as looks like 3 museums. I just walked through one of them, mostly photographs, and yeah, the sun is pretty much gone down or hidden by the clouds now, so 27 above, it actually feels pretty good, and a little quieter over in this area, but as you can see from the other videos, there's a lot of people down here, several thousand for sure, easily. Alright, that's it. I'm going to continue exploring.